Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today we're doing another video in our series of Caravan for Beginners, and today we're going to be looking at the gas, so stay tuned. So today we're going to be looking at the gas, and we are going to set up the gas with the Pigtail so it's connected to the Caravan and the gas bottle, and also I'm going to be showing you about the shut-off valves inside the Caravan and also what to look for if you have an issue with the gas itself. There are certain telltale signs. So let's take a look first of all at the pigtails. Okay, so just on the mat here now we have two types of pigtail. We have what they call a wheeled pigtail, which simply means it's got a wheel on it and you can tighten it up with that. That connects to the gas bottle itself, and it's also got a sealed rubber grommet on it. And on the other end again we have a grommet, and that connects to the Caravan itself. This one is slightly different. It doesn't come with a rubber grommet, and that connects to your gas bottle and that connects to the Caravan itself. Now the tools we use to do the second one without the wheel is we use a gas spanner. This is mine, and also an adjustable spanner to adjust and tighten up the nut on the Caravan itself. Okay, so we're now going to connect the gas pigtail to the regulator. Now what I like to do, just hand tighten it. Now this one tightens clockwise. It's alright. Now remember, this is brass, so don't over tighten it, but at the same time make sure it's tight enough and there's no leaks. Okay, so that's tight enough that now. So that's on secure. Now let's attach it to the gas bottle. Okay, so to fit this side of the pigtail, the wheel pigtail, what we're going to do is insert it, and we're going to turn the thread anti-clockwise. Now remember, if you do it clockwise it'll never fit. So just keep turning that now till you feel it grip. And there you go, that is now tightened up and it's ready for use. So now we've got the pigtail connected, we're now going to show you how to turn on the gas and let the supply run through the Caravan to your gas appliances. So before we turn the gas actually on at the gas bottle, we're going to turn this switch here, which is currently in the horizontal position. Now we're going to turn that vertical. Now for us that is turning it down, so I'm going to turn this lever downwards, and that will then allow the gas supply to run through this pipe into this pressure regulator and into the Caravan itself. Okay, so now we can safely turn on the gas. Like so. So let's go inside the Caravan now and I'll show you the next stage. Now located in the Caravan somewhere in one of the cupboards should be some form of configuration similar to this one. Now what this is the gas coming into the Caravan itself, and it has its own shut-offs, so that you could, if you had an issue with, let's say, the gas to the fridge, you could turn that off, or a gas to the cooker, you could turn that off, or to the boiler itself. You can switch them off at this point. Now obviously you have to make sure that these are in the correct position, which is running parallel with the actual pipe, which means it's switched on. Should you turn it any other way, like so, it will be closed and it won't get gas to that particular appliance. So make sure these are open. Okay, so now we've more or less established that we've got gas going to the pipes because we've checked all the valve systems and they're all open. So what we're going to do now is we're going to test it via the cooker, because it's one of the best examples I can show you. Now, if you've got an electric ignition on your cooker itself, make sure you've switched on your consumer unit, and also you've turned on your control panel, which is either just by the door or near the door. So we're going to test it now. I can hear the gas. There we go. Now, as you can see, we've got a consistent blue flame, which is what you're really looking for. There shouldn't be any gaps in the flame. If there is, the jets could be blocked. And if it's a very yellowy flame, the best thing I can advise to do is switch it off and seek some advice from an engineer. But that is perfect for what we're looking for. So everyone, that's how you set up the Caravan gas ready for use. Now, before I go, I'd just like to mention a couple of points. Make sure that you purchase yourself a carbon monoxide alarm and a smoke alarm and test them regular. They could save your life. Also, if you smell gas in the Caravan or in the gas locker itself, turn off the gas immediately. Now, if it's in the gas locker itself, it could be the fact that the pigtail's slightly loose. Now, in order to detect this and find out if it is leaking, what you can do is mix some washing up liquid with some water. Just smear it around the actual nut itself and round where the thread is, and if you've got a bubble, generally it means that it's just not tight enough, so you can nip it up with your spanners and tighten it up and it should be fine. Now, if it continues, it could be actually the fact that the seals themselves are broken, and the best thing you can do is disregard the pigtail and purchase a new one. Well, I hope you found this video informative, and I'd just like to say thank you very much for watching, and bye for now.